Hello, Team LeBron. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! Now we will start positioning and scripting Alice in HTML using our style sheet and script. Open your index.html. Let's start by creating a style sheet in our CSS folder. Right-click the new file. We can name it as mystyle.css. Next is create a JavaScript file in our JS folder. Right-click the new file. We can name it as myjs.js. In index.html, you will see my tags that are enclosed with opening and closing bracket. In the title tag, you can change the title to Mobile Legends Alice. It will display as the title in your browser. Now we will link our style sheet file in our HTML file by adding the link tag in head section. One of the cool features of Atom is that they have a code hinting, where they will suggest a syntax for you. Now that the style sheet is already linked, we will now link our JavaScript file in the HTML file. I forgot to tell you that we can add a name in the metadata in author tag. Well, this is simply to identify the author of the file. Now that the style sheet and JavaScript are already linked, we will now go to the body tag. Add an empty div tag inside the body tag and assign Alice_container as the ID. Select and copy the Alice_container, then go to mystyle.css. In the CSS file, create a style for Alice referencing the ID of Alice_container. Inside the Alice_container, we will add styles and attributes to display Alice in HTML. Let's check if everything is working. Make sure that you save your file. Open the index file. Okay, it seems we're doing good. We have no errors displayed. Since we just created an empty div or placeholder with dimensions, we will not see Alice yet. Going back to the CSS file, we will add a temporary border so we can visualize the placeholder of Alice. Now save and go back to the browser, then hit refresh. Now we can see the style is working and we can visualize the placeholder of Alice. In the CSS file again, we will now add more styles to display Alice. After the background image, position, and size has been added, let's check if we can now see Alice. Hit save. With the browser and index is still open, hit the refresh button. Nicely done! We can now see Alice and the placeholder with red border. You are probably wondering where are the other Alice. To show them, we will now start building the JavaScript. Go to myjs.js file. In the JS file, we will now create functions to control the background of Alice. Now that the functions are set up, we are ready to check it on the browser. Hit save, then switch back to Chrome. Hit refresh. Good job! We can now see Alice seems flying in a static position. Yep, you're right. We can add movement for Alice. To do this, switch back to our text editor. In CSS, we will add keyframes, then later call it in Alice underscore container. Double check for errors. Hit save if all are okay, then switch back to the browser. Hit refresh. Congratulations! We have transformed a static image of Alice into animated. Finally, switch back to the text editor, then remove the border. And voila! It was so easy, right? Questions, please shoot me a comment below, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love you guys.